Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change DTV audio settings on LG Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the gear icon on your remote. Then navigate to the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. Inside, scroll down to the sound, enter it and go for advanced settings. Here scroll down again until you find DTV audio settings. Now you can switch between MPEG, Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, HEAAC or Auto. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.